start slight left, 60. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Slight left, 60. Small crest, 80. Slight left, 30. Slight right, 80. Slowing up, 90. One left at junction, 30. Crest and 4 right, opens very long. Into crest, 80. 3 left, 100. Turn square right, unseen, 30. 4 right, cut, 30. 3 left. And 2 right, short of the crest, 100. 5 left, half long, 30. 3 right of the crest, 140. Left of a big jump, 40. Jump and small jump, 50. 5 right, tightens to 3 left of the crest. And small crest into 6 left. To bump and crest. Into crest, brake, 50. Turn 2 right into 6 left, 40. Long crest, 70. Slight left, 60. Small jump and late 5 left, tightens into crest and 6 right, opens long. Tightens 4, 50. 5 left, 40. 5 right to the crest. Tightens 3, past junction and left of a jump, 50. Right of a big crest, brake, 50. Caution, 3 left, sharp of a crest, 30. 3 right, into crest, to 5 left, 40. 5 right, short of a crest, 70. 6 left, through junction, tightens, 40. Right of a big jump, 90. Slight right, 60. 6 right of a crest, opens, to the left of a crest, 30. 4 right short, to slight left, 120. Jump, 50. 5 left of the crest, keep in, 40. 4 right of the crest, 60. Left of a crest, 70. Left of a jump, 80. Slight left of the crest, long. Tightens over jumps. And bump into 6 right, short of the jump. And 5 left, long. Tightens of a crest, 30. 5 right, 50. 6 right. Tightens 4, short, past junction into 6 left, 30. Early 6 right, over jump, 70. Slight left, slowing and right of the crest, 40. 3 left, tightens half long, 30. 6 right, opens of the crest, long. Brake, 80. Late, 2 right, half long, past junction, 50. 6 left of the crest, opens long, 190. 6 left of a small jump, slowing, 220. Turn 1 left, 180. Bridge, 40. Turn square left, unseen, and 6 left, 50. 6 right. Tightens 4, 100. Jump, 90. Slight right of the crest, 80. Slight right of the crest, 30. Small crest, 100. Late 5 left, 200. Small crest, 280. Slowing, slight right, tightens 4, 50. 6 right, 100. 6 right, short of a jump, 40. 5 left of a jump, 120. Caution, 5 right of the crest, to 4 left short, 100. Slowing, crest, 30. 3 left, opens, 50. 6 right of the crest, half long. tightens 3, long 50, 6 left of the crest, 60, 1 right short at house, 70, 6 left, tightens 40, right of the crest to 5 left short, through junction 90, turn acute hairpin right, into 6 left, tightens 4 short, and 5 right short, 70, 6 left, 130, 3 left, keep in, 30, crest, 220, left of the crest, 110, slowing, right of the crest, 100, turn, open hairpin right, 160, over finish, 200 to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute 56.1.